Hello students, in this session we will continue the remaining part of the circulatory system. Under this, what is the meaning of pulse? Pulse means the rhythmic contraction and relaxation of the heart is expressed in the different locations of the body. That is only called as pulse. The rhythmic contraction and relaxation of heartbeat is expressed in different locations. Heartbeat is expressed in different locations. Different locations of the body. Contraction and relaxation of the heartbeat expressed in different locations of the body is called as the pulse. Common example is radial artery in wrist region. Radial artery present in the wrist region, temporal artery present in the neck region. So these are helpful for to measure the pulse rate. Pulse pressure the difference between systolic pressure and diastolic pressure is called the pulse pressure. What is the systolic pressure? 120 millimeters Hg. What is the diastolic pressure? Is 80 millimeters Hg. The difference between the systolic pressure and diastolic pressure only we are called as pulse pressure. What is the difference? Is 40. So 40 millimeters Hg is the pulse pressure. It is the systolic pressure. It is the diastolic pressure. The difference between the systolic and diastolic pressure only we are called as the pulse pressure. If you are going to be measured the pulse pressure in the ratios, then what is that? It is 3:2:1. The ratio of systolic pressure, diastolic pressure and pulse pressure is 3:2:1. What is that systolic pressure? 120, then 80, then 40. So that the ratio of the systolic pressure, diastolic pressure and pulse pressure is 3:2:1. Now, what is the meaning of what is the portal system? The portal system, under that the first one is the hepatic portal system. Hepatic portal system present in between the digestive system to the liver. Digestive system and spleen to the liver, it is evolved. Hepatic portal system means it is present in between the digestive system, nothing but of the intestine and spleen to the liver. Here what happened? Hepatic portal vein supplies the oxygen and nutrients. Digestive system means here intestine. Whatever the food is digested in the intestine and whatever the oxygen is there, both the digested food and nothing but of nutrients and oxygen is supplied by the hepatic portal vein to the liver. Why it is supplied means just for the detoxification in the liver. Whatever the toxins present in the nutrients, that is going to be detoxified. That's why the liver is called as the detoxicating gland. So for that detoxification only, hepatic portal vein supplies the oxygen and nutrients from the digestive system to the liver. The next one, hepatic vein. So what is the hepatic vein? It is present in between the liver and blood. Hepatic vein. Hepatic vein supplies the, what is that? The maximum amount of urea. Maximum amount of urea produced in the liver. How means? Urea cycle done in the liver. How? What is the way? Ammonia is converted into the urea. So nitrogenous waste like that of ammonia is immediately converted into the urea in liver. So maximum amount of urea is present in the produced by the liver, that is transported with the help of the hepatic vein and released into the blood. Through the blood only it is reached to the kidneys. So maximum amount of urea present in the renal portal system, in which kind of the blood vessel is hepatic vein. So maximum amount of urea is present when compared to the hepatic portal vein. Hepatic portal vein, certain toxins only there, but not the maximum amount of urea. So it is the hepatic portal system. The next one, hypophyseal portal system. What is the hypophyseal portal system? Hypophyseal portal system. Hypophyseal portal system means it is done between the hypothalamus. It is present in between the hypothalamus and pituitary gland. Hypophyseal portal system present between the hypothalamus and pituitary gland. So whatever that secretions produced by the hypothalamus, that is released into the pituitary gland with the help of the hypothalamic portal vein. Hypothalamic portal vein. HP means hypothalamic portal vein. What are the secretions produced by the hypothalamus that is released into the pituitary gland with the help of hypothalamic portal vein? So here it is a hypothalamic portal vein is a kind of circulatory system. It is evolved in between the only hypothalamus and pituitary gland. The next one, renal portal system. Renal portal system. Under the renal portal system, what happened? It is absent in mammals. Absent in mammals, but present in frog. Where this system is evolved, renal portal system, it is present in between the kidneys and also the blood. I mean the large intestine and kidneys. It is present in between the large intestine and kidneys. Renal portal system is evolved in a frog in between the large intestine and kidneys. That is about the, what is that? Renal portal system. It is absent in the human beings and also the mammals. The next one, What is foramen ovale? In between the right atrium and left atrium, an aperture is formed at the embryonic developmental stages, nothing but of the fetus. When the fetus is developed in the mother's womb, at that time an aperture is present in between the right atrium and left atrium. So that's why deoxygenated blood and oxygenated blood both are mixed in the embryonic stage. This is only called as foramen ovale. Later, this at the time of the birth of a baby, what happened? This foramen ovale is going to be closed. That is only called as fossa ovalis. What is the meaning of that? Foramen ovale is closed. Foramen ovale is closed. When it is closed? At the time of birth. When the baby is completely developed inside of the mother's womb, then the partition is done by the mother. At that time, it is going to be closed. This aperture is closed, so that deoxygenated blood and oxygenated blood is completely separated. So this is called as how it is, because of closing and form as a depression is we are observed. The depression only we are called fossa ovalis. The remnant of depression of foramen ovale is called fossa ovalis, where when it is observed means whenever after the birth of the baby, the foramen ovale is closed. That is only we are called as fossa ovalis. The depression, that remnant is going to be observed. That is only called fossa ovalis. The next one, ductus arteriosus. What is the ductus arteriosus? Ductus arteriosus means nothing but of pulmonary artery and systemic aorta is going to be closed in the fetus. Whenever the embryo is developed inside of the mother's womb, at that time, what happened? Pulmonary artery. This is the right atrium, right ventricle, the left atrium, right ventricle, left ventricle. Here what is that? It is the systemic aorta, it is the pulmonary artery. It is all understanding diagrams only. So ductus arteriosus means it is the heart. The heart is having the two important blood vessels. What is that? Blood vessels are the pulmonary arteries and systemic aorta. Pulmonary arteries and systemic aorta both are going to be interconnected. Whatever the blood flows in the pulmonary artery and also whatever the blood flows in the systemic aorta, both are combined. So whatever the blood in pulmonary artery, deoxygenated blood is there. In systemic aorta, oxygenated blood is there. Both are mixed at the stage of fetal developmental or embryo developmental stage in mother's womb. That is only we are called as ductus arteriosus. Both the pulmonary artery and systemic aorta are interconnected. That's why mixed blood is pumped to the fetus. At the time of birth, that means the time of baby born, then what happened? These ductus arteriosus are going to be closed. That means like this, separated. Pulmonary artery and ductus arteriosus both are separated. At the time of baby born, what happened? Ligamentum arteriosum is formed. What is the meaning of that? Both the pulmonary artery and systemic aorta is separated. Pulmonary artery and systemic aorta is separated. Whenever the baby born, at that time, ligamentum arteriosum is formed. What is the meaning of that? To close the pulmonary arteries and systemic aorta. What is the use of that? Deoxygenated, oxygenated blood is separately pumped to the baby, just born baby. That is only called as the ligamentum arteriosum. Thank you, students. Next session we will continue.